There's been a good deal of talk in these parts about regionalization. A lot of people are afraid that they're going to lose their control over their own people.
I advocated, and it took us 3 years to pass a law through the legislature. And the law was, simply put, to make it legal for 2 or more communities to do together what they were otherwise authorized under state statute to do separately. And I believe that the role of government, state government, is to encourage a regional approach to things like 911 dispatch. I mean, if New York City can have one dispatch complex, then we probably could have, fewer than 150 in Connecticut. And it might be a very good thing to be doing on a regional basis. Health department and inspection services, where people want to cooperate. Education, where they want to cooperate. Transportation, certainly where they want to cooperate. But state government has a role to play. And my approach would be, if we're giving you each 2 towns, 3 towns, 4 towns, a certain amount of money to pay as our cooperation or our portion of the payments that go for those services, we should say to people who want to come together to do that, we'll guarantee that for the first 5 years or the first 10 years. You won't take a loss because you're doing something on a regional basis, or you're trying to do something on a regional basis. So I think state government has a very active role to play in doing that. And I think we have to be respectful of the rights of communities to decide who they will join or not join on the education process. I will also tell you that the economic imperative is going to push us in that direction. The reality is when you're as reliant on property taxes as our local governments are, and when such a large portion of local government expenses have to be devoted to education, we're going to, Yankee Ingenuity is going to allow us to overcome Yankee Inertia. And we're going to start to do things together that we haven't previously done. I want to be a governor who makes it easier for that to happen on a cooperative basis.